Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out and organizing my closet. I asked you on Instagram what you wanted to see this week, and this was the most popular voted video. So that is what I did, and it took me a long time, but I'm so happy that it's finally done. Everything looks great. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished look or how it came out. So if you want to see that, keep watching. So I'm just starting by taking all of my clothes out of the closet. These are my spring and summer, and then I'm going to grab my winter, and then I went through and took everything off of the hangers and sorted out what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to sell, and also I will be giving some away. I do have a Poshmark and I have a few things listed on there. I'm still in the process of getting everything listed on there, but if you are interested, I will have that linked in the description box and you can go over and see if there's anything that you might like from my closet. But that's what I'm doing right now, is just going through and sorting from what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. That Our Nest pillow is from TJ Maxx. So right here, I'm just showing you a little trick. The shirts like this that have a wider neck, or some that are just hard and don't want to stay on the hanger, you can actually, a lot of the times they will have a tag that looks like that one, where you can just stick the top part of the hanger up through it and it will hold the shirt on there. A lot of them are made like that. There are a few I have come across that don't have that tag, and that sucks, but the ones that do, that is the trick I use. And you will see later, that is not the hanger that I left that on. I ended up changing my mind a lot throughout this process. You will see in the video some of those things that I changed my mind on, but in the end it ended up working out the way that I wanted it to.
And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever. I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide.
So while I was in here cleaning out, I found some things. As you can see, I found those old glasses, and I actually found this Masham that was meant for her Easter basket, and it must have fallen out. So she was super excited about that, and that made her whole day, because the other day her Masham actually burst open and we had to throw it away. So that was a fun little surprise for her. So she was just sitting there talking to me and playing with her Masham, and I was just trying to clear absolutely everything out so I could vacuum and then wipe down the shelves.
I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever. I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide.
So now I am taking these bins that I got from the Dollar Tree. Right now they have a bunch of really bright, pretty colors because of springtime. And I actually picked these up with another purpose in mind, but I ended up using 3 of them in my closet, which is fine. I had some left over and I can always go get more. I tried first putting my shorts in like this and I did not end up liking it. So you will see I took them out and I put them in a different way and I organized them by colored shorts and then just blue jean shorts. So I really like the way that it turned out. It'll be really easy for me to look through them and to also keep them nice and neat. And when I'm folding and putting them away, it'll also be really easy. So that is what I used those for. And then I am going to go ahead and hang up my jeans. I had originally had them folded in a messy pile on that top shelf that you saw in the beginning. But I decided to hang them for once, which is I think probably the first time I've ever hung my jeans, but I've always liked the way it looked in other people's closets, so that's what I did. And I also hung all like items on the same color hanger as much as I possibly could, and I will explain that a little further when we get to that part. But yeah, for now I'm just putting all of my jeans on black hangers. So I put the dresses in here and then I ended up taking them down. As you see right here, I'm telling you guys, I changed my mind literally 10 times. I think it took me 6 hours to do this. I am the most indecisive person, but I decided, hey, I think I want to put all my dresses on pink hangers. So that's what I did. I actually ended up running out of pink, so I did a few of them on like an aqua color. But then that gave me the great idea to color coordinate with my winter and spring clothes, so you will see that in a minute. But I had hung up all my dresses and then I took them off the hangers and rehung them. It was a mess, but I got it done and that's all that matters. And then there you can see I ran out of pink ones, but that's okay. I just wanted to use what I had. I did not want to have to buy anything at all for this closet clean out, so it cost me absolutely nothing except for the bins. But like I said, I didn't buy them for this. I actually bought them for something else. They were only $1 at the Dollar Tree. And here I have my little buddy sitting on my lap, and I am going through and kind of color coordinating my top. So these are all my spring and summer, and I'm going to do blacks and grays, and then whites, and if I have cream or something like that. And then I did pinks, reds, and oranges, blues, purples, and greens, and then they're all organized like that in the closet. That way, if I'm like, oh, I really want to wear a green shirt today, it's a lot easier for me to find. And then I also, I'm putting white hangers on these, but I changed my mind, and I was like, no, I think I want to put pink and red hangers on the pink and red shirts, and white hangers on the white shirts, and black hangers on the black shirts. So I did all this work and then I undid all of that work. And then I put all of my shoes on my shelves like this, and then I took them all off because I didn't like the way it looked. But if I'm being honest with you guys, that's how this went for me. I am not a person that can visualize. I have to just do, and if I don't like it, tear it down and start again. So up here I have all of my handbags in these baskets. I love handbags. I'm much more of a handbag girl than I am a shoe girl, so I have all of my handbags up there in those boxes, and that's where I store them. And now I am all done, and this is how it looks in the end. I have some things in that hanging thing. I have some of my giveaway items in there and some boxes from companies, and that's Oscar's blanket in the bottom, my dog who passed away. That is very special to me, but this is how it turned out, and I love it. It looks so much better, and you can actually walk in there. I did not really pay too much attention to my husband's side just because I didn't want to go through his clothes or anything without his like approval. So you will see I kind of put a blanket over to kind of hide the clutter, but it is what it is. But here are all my dresses, and they are on pink and blue hangers, and then all my jeans are on blue hangers. I thought I put them on black. I changed my mind. See, I changed my mind. I forgot. And then all of my shorts in these bins, and then I color coordinated the hangers to the shirts for my side. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Also in the end, I showed you really quickly how I store my bras. I didn't really want to like focus too much on that because it is my bras, but hey, whatever. I wanted to show you guys because I do like how I have them organized. So there is a clip of that. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.